Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I will show you how to enable Holo audio. So Holo audio feature is designed to make different audio sources sound as if they're coming from distinct spatial locations, which will enhance media consumption and overall your sound. So let's go to settings, and in your settings you want to find section sound and vibration, and now let's scroll down until you finally see Holo audio option. So you can enable it. And additionally, you can set if you want it to be auto or custom. So if you select custom, if you scroll down, you will see you can customize it right here using those these sliders. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.